Hey Illini! Do you want to build a culture of sustainability on campus? Creating this culture relies on staff, faculty, and students building it together, and right now it starts with you. The Institute for Sustainability, Energy and Environment and Facilities and Services are proud to announce the relaunch of the Greener Campus programs. The 3 programs that make up this initiative are offices, chapters, and events. Each of these programs offer green certification status to participants for their respective engagement in sustainable actions. Each program details specific actions that departments, fraternities, sororities, and event planners can take to further our goals of creating a culture of sustainability on campus. Visit the iSEE website for more information. If you work on campus, check out the Green Office page. If you're in a chapter, go check out the Green Chapter page. And if you plan events, head over to the Green Event page. Happy greening!